Insert the long L-shaped part of the metal support arm into the grass box lid. There is a left arm and a right arm. The other ends of the support arms should point towards each other when held up. Place the washers over the holes in the lid and secure into place with the provided screws. Starting at the front corners, insert the orange plastic part of the fabric bag into the lid until it clicks. Continue around the lid, clicking the fabric part into place. Insert the support arms into the base of the collection bag and clip the retaining clips to the support arms.